say that?
You can say it. What's up? It's Boogie2988 coming at you live through the power of the internet. First, okay, so this is an apartment tour because everyone's asking. Second, I need to introduce the newest member of my family.
It's not me. No.
Okay, so this is Teddy Grams. Everyone say hi, Teddy Grams.
Hi, Teddy Grams.
Thank you. This is my helper today, JoJo Siwa.
Some noise for JoJo Siwa!
But yeah, Teddy Grams, you go do your own thing. Anyways, this is our kitchen. This fell off. It was not our fault.
The first day I opened it up, and this bitch just fell off.
So this is the porn fridge. Pretty neat, if you ask me. We got all these from.
My idea.
we got all these from the half price books. We found an old magazine in there, and it had a bunch of swastikas in it. I won't lie, but it also had a bunch of titties in it.
The one contribution I made to the apartment, my amazing VHS collection that won't fit on the wall. Because
you have too many, and you have like replicas.
We got Krang, we got Godzilla.
Oh yeah, close up. I'm making it darker than it needs to be. And then him, this is how I'm shaped personally. I just like decorated this shit the other day, and I put a bunch of like leaves and shit up and lanterns and then tapestries. I don't plan on like actually leaving it like this because I feel like it looks kind of stupid. Like I like the plants and shit, but I might change this at some point in the future. So there are the movies.
That's the DVDs, the stuff we actually watch.
Yeah. There's what is this?
That's a VCR I got from a lady.
So this is our bedroom. It looks pretty wild, I guess.
We've done a good job.
I'll start over here. All of these fucking posters, movie trading company, this fucking little peep shit.
Not mine.
It was his. It was his. I got this shit from Avery's, and like these are my Care Bears that I just get off the internet for like $25 a set. I don't buy individual things. Like if I'm getting something, I'm getting a fucking deal. And then this anime flag, and then this is a personal favorite of mine. This one right here. It's too dark, but ᴏᴛ Kiss is one of my favorites.
So on Instagram, I found out there's a guy doing album canvases for $35, and at the time I'm like, oh my god, that's such a great price. So I got like, I'm a big fan of Lil Uzi, and I love the original Uzi vs. the World cover. So I got that and the Eternal Take Deluxe album cover. They didn't come out as good as I thought they would. Kind of a waste of $70, but you live and you learn. But he does really good work, actually. Like, he does really good work. Depop.
Depop. Yerd. So, again, Amazon, movie trading company, Amazon. Recently, Layla's boyfriend gave me this magazine with anime girls in it. So,
my favorite.
Yerd. Another tapestry. This is one of my favorite parts of the room. I fucked up with putting these leaves up here. They look kind of bad on this side, but
this is one of my favorite parts because I picked it out at the antique store. This lady had like a bunch of framed stuff from old monster magazines and like framed posters, and I loved it. I want to get more for the apartment, but they're like kind of expensive, so eh.
And this is my personal favorite.
The newspaper.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts of the room. This poster itself is my favorite part of the room. And then I have my bags here and another poster and some shit. One of my favorite movies, Natural Born Killers, and some titties. I really love how this looks. This shit looks amazing. I'm editing the video right now, and I just want to show you guys what the room looks like with the like lights all on right now, so it kind of sucks, but yeah, I have these lights right here, And then I have like obviously these lights, and I just got 2 of those from Amazon. And then this disco ball right here. Can't really see it unless I do this. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool in the room, especially when the lights are off. The vibes in here are amazing. So this is the bathroom. There's a JoJo poster in here that I hate. Like, I like JoJo, but I don't think this poster looks good in here. And when I do decorate in here, I want there to be like leaves and shit or whatever. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. So,